Want to show y'all something? Want to show y'all my garden? Okay, this is how I buy my. See the little round ones? And these. I buy them $1 or something. And I put them out, and we'll see who survives. And look, y'all. Look how big and bad. Tomatoes. Everything. The leaves don't look so hot, but got bell peppers. Got tomatoes coming. That was my kale and romaine. Look at that. And one on the other side right there. Some more tomatoes. I got plenty of tomatoes. Ooh, there's something red down there. Yay. I see it. Over there. Some big ones over here. Those are big. So I get different types of tomatoes. I keep the little things in here. This was my first one. None of these have turned red yet. Of course, I keep my aloe. Look at that pretty thing over there, y'all. That grew up out of there. Over here, I have some mint and some other things. Chamomile. That's chamomile. This one's getting dried out. That's another, what is that? That's a strawberry plant, a little tiny strawberry plant. This right here, cilantro's gone too big. This basil's need some more water. Some more cilantro, mint, sweet mint. And my backyard over there, y'all. That's some more mint. Peppermint or spearmint, one of the two. Spearmint.